Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Ranger XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring. This vehicle is going to be powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine and has the Sport Appearance package. We do get rear park sensing on this vehicle, your backup camera. We do get mud flaps on the rear and front with blind spot detection. We got the nice XLT logo right there with recovery hooks and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior with under seat storage as well. Plenty of door space in the back, storage here, USB, USB-C, and some cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Manual passenger seat, plenty of door space in the back with powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 7.4 kilometers. Got this nice leather app steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume voice, cruise control with lane centering. We got a digital speedometer and compass with my view, trip and feel, off-road, towing, audio, phone, navigation, settings, vehicle maintenance, and to my right we got our gear select, parking brake, auto stop, auto start, traction, and drive modes, 4-wheel drive, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets and phone spot, storage below with a 12-volt, your basic climate controls here with your hazards, volume, storage below, above, and above me we do get a powered rear window opener. We do get a nice big infotainment system here with your climate controls here, dual climate, heated front seats, radio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM. We're going to go back, phone, here's your navigation, nice closer look, zoom in and out, 3D mode, you can search, all that jazz, media, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, sketch, zone lighting, towing, Rick Ford PVAC, and all your vehicle settings. You do get auto hold as well with your lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE23844, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.